Can geography be considered a science? Well, the short answer for this is yes, of course it is. But there's more to it. Let's dive into it together. Welcome one more time to the Gewography, where we go over the most impressive facts in geography. Geography might just be the world's oldest natural science, yet it wears its age well, adapting new tools and technologies as gracefully as any modern discipline. Its broad scope, spanning from the dynamic patterns of climate to the bustling activities of urban spaces, positions it uniquely as a science dedicated to understanding the complex interrelationships of Earth systems and human societies. Essentially, geography does more than just tell us where things are. It tells us why things are and what that means for our future, blending the rigor of scientific investigation with the narrative flair of social commentary. But wait until you hear how geography manages to combine ancient techniques with the latest technology to remain at the cutting edge of scientific inquiry. Geography's identity crisis as both a physical and social science actually serves it well. Physical geographers study natural landscapes, weather patterns, and biological ecosystems, using tools that would make any lab-coated scientist nod in approval. Human geographers, on the other hand, examine how culture, economy, and politics influence spatial dynamics, offering insights that could rival any sociological study. Together, these perspectives make geography a meeting ground for different scientific disciplines, akin to a conference where physicists and poets discuss how best to describe the universe. Next, I'll reveal the sophisticated tools that make this possible. Tools that have transformed the field from traditional map making to a digital data powerhouse. Modern geography is as much about satellites and computer systems as it is about maps and compasses. Geographic Information Systems, GIS, and remote sensing have revolutionized how geographers gather, analyze, and interpret data. These tools allow for the meticulous study of Earth's surfaces and the activities of its inhabitants, providing data-driven insights that can guide everything from city planning to conservation efforts. It's as if geographers have traded in their old compasses for high-powered data rockets, exploring the planet from the comfort of their computer screens. Curious how these tools work in action? Stay tuned as I dive into how these methods unfold in real scientific investigations. The scientific rigor in geography is unmistakable. Geographers formulate hypotheses, conduct field experiments, and apply statistical tests to understand patterns and processes at various scales. The field's inherent interdisciplinary nature also enriches its scientific approach. By borrowing methods from ecology, anthropology, and even economics, geography transcends traditional boundaries, creating a holistic view of environmental and societal issues. The result is a discipline that is not only about the where, but also deeply about the why and how, sort of like a jack of all trades with a PhD in Earth. But how do these eclectic methods help us tackle real-world problems? You might be surprised at the role geography plays in addressing global challenges. The practical applications of geography are as vast as the planet itself. In environmental management, geographic studies inform policies on climate action, wildlife conservation, and sustainable urban development. In disaster preparedness, they enhance our ability to predict, respond to, and recover from natural catastrophes. This role in shaping both policy and practical responses to global challenges makes geographers unsung heroes, albeit with less dramatic cape flaring and more quiet, determined data analysis. Wondering about specific examples where geography has made a difference. The next part will showcase real stories where geographic insights have literally changed the world. Today, geography stands as a vibrant discipline that encompasses a diverse range of studies from urban planning and population studies to climate science and ecological conservation. The field continues to rely heavily on technological advancements, including remote sensing, digital mapping, and complex data modeling to further understand and solve global challenges like climate change, migration, and urban sprawl. In sum, geography is undeniably a science, enriched with rigorous methodologies, advanced technological tools, and theoretical frameworks that help us understand and manage our world's complex systems. It is both ancient and cutting edge, providing essential insights that guide everything from local zoning laws to global environmental treaties. So, while geography might not deliver the clean, unambiguous answers of a simple math problem, it offers something perhaps more valuable: a nuanced, deeply informed perspective on how to navigate the complexities of our ever changing planet, because, after all, someone has to make sense of this beautiful mess we call home. And who knows, maybe the next time you think about geography, you'll see it not just as a school subject, but as a vital science that shapes your everyday life. Like and subscribe to Geography to stay tuned.